Today, we are unboxing some gifts that I just received from Meeden. First up, I got this easel that I can't wait to try out and show you guys. It is a watercolor field easel. I'm not going to open this up and set it up today. I think this needs its own video. I am definitely going to be taking this out and doing some plein air painting very soon. The weather is finally starting to warm up. So if you are interested in this, definitely click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You're going to want to see this. It's pretty cool. Next up, they sent me their gouache set. My contact at Meeden knows that I like watercolor and water media, and this was something that I really wanted to give a try, and I'm super excited to have this. So yeah, we're going to check out the Meeden gouache coming up soon. Next in the package is another block of the watercolor, the 10x7 cold press 100% cotton watercolor paper. You guys know I love this stuff. This is that new packaging that I have told you about. You notice that this has changed just slightly, and the sides aren't green. They are clear now, the glue that goes around the sides of the block. That's the only real difference as far as I know. And yeah, I had told them that I was running low on some of the paper that I was using. I am excited to receive this. Not only do we have the 10x7 size, they sent along some 12x9. I can't wait to do some bigger watercolor paintings on this. Next up, it's like Christmas now. I have packages to open. Next up, we have some of their watercolor brushes. They have the little push sides. There's different sizes here. So there's a wide one that looks like a round and maybe two flats. I'll have to give these a try. I'm not a huge fan of water brushes. Drop me a comment and let me know. Do you guys like water brushes? I'm not. And maybe I'm not a fan, but maybe it's just because I haven't used them enough or I haven't found the right one. I am looking forward to giving these a try. We'll see. And also in this bag, oh, now see, this is going to go well with the easel that I just showed you. We'll definitely be giving this a try with some plein air painting. So this also has a brush in it. Oh, so these are like perfect sizes, because this one is like, you see the size like round, and then this would have a smaller round, small flat, and a larger flat brush. Yeah, that looks like a great set to take with me. And these they fan out. Look at all the colors. Lots and lots of watercolors. This is much more. There's 42 colors in here, so many more colors than the set of 24 watercolor tubes that I shared with you, gosh, back in January or February, earlier this year. So I'm looking forward to giving this a try. It has a sponge here for cleaning your water brush off on. Yeah, I can't wait to try that. Thank you, Meeden. You see something that you're interested in? Drop me a comment and let me know. All right, let's see what's in this one. Now, if you guys haven't tried Meeden products yet, I definitely recommend. They do have some quality products. I'm going to be bringing you some videos, including some things that I purchased myself before I even had any affiliation with the company. And I definitely recommend. Not only that, links will be in the description below. And if you use code Clark10, you can get a discount off of your order from Meeden. Empty watercolor palette with half pans. So this has 24 pans. It is in black. I like it. I don't have a palette this size yet. And this is going to be perfect to put that gouache into. So it actually has 26 pans. So it says 24. There's actually 26 in here. And I would be willing to bet, yep, I could even fill up that middle row if I wanted to. Just put some like poster tack in there or something, or even if this is metal, pretty sure, I could just put magnets on the bottom and fill that whole middle row. I'm really looking forward to filling up another palette. That's excellent. I like it. This does lay pretty flat, so it's not like tipped down towards the table. So if I wanted to mix on here, it should hold and not run. I might have to tip it back just a little bit, but yeah, that's perfect. It stays nice and flat. See there? I'm really looking forward to giving that a try. I'm not going to put it back in the plastic. We'll just slide it in here. Can we have too many palettes? Can we? I don't think so. Okay, next up. Have you tried stuff from Meeden? What is your favorite supply? Oh, check it out. A 5x7 block. So more paper. This is perfect. 5x7 blocks. It's going to be wonderful. You can create a painting on this, pop it right into a 5x7 frame, and immediately display it. Standard size for frames that we can get here in the US, and I love it. I wish that the 7x10 was actually 8x10 size. And I've said that before because then that could fit into a picture frame so easily. But this one, the 7x5, definitely we can just paint something, pop it right into a frame, hang it right on the wall, or set it on a table, or however you like to display your frames. This would work wonderful. I'm really excited to have this size. If you're following along with my latest curated collection, you'll know that I chose the 4x6 size for paper in the Fluid 100 because that too is the perfect size to pop in a frame that we can find pretty standard here in the US. And I did that recently with my lighthouse painting. Oh, one of my favorites, a porcelain palette. Oh yeah, I'm excited about this one because this is similar to this one, except it's sectioned off. So let's take a quick look at it. I was going to take it out off camera and then show you, but I want you guys to see how well, like there's, you see down there, styrofoam, like these are packaged, knock on wood. I've never had a problem ordering porcelain palettes from Meeden. They are always well packaged, and this is heavy. And yes, I got to get all the little styrofoam bits off of it, but look at that. This is a wonderful addition. I am excited. You know I'm going to be using this soon. I love porcelain palettes. I don't think I can have too many. So we have that. I'm just going to leave that there for now. And then there's these last three little packages, which I believe these are all the same thing. And these are for a very specific purpose. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, I definitely recommend subscribing. If you like or are interested in some Meeden products, look at these. How adorable. These are 4x3 size. They are little, like sample size pads of paper. I thought this would be perfect to be able to just pop in a bag. And how well would that work with this? Right? Just pop that in a bag and go. You can paint anywhere, anytime. Water's in your brush, clean it off here. You don't need anything else. You can just take these and go. I had mentioned that I would love to do, I would love to receive these because I had you guys in mind. For those of you who haven't tried it yet, I wanted to have some samples that I could give away, that you guys would be able to try this paper. I think it's definitely worth giving a try. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I definitely recommend clicking that subscribe button, turn on notifications, because in the near future, I am going to be doing some little giveaways, and these are going to be things that will be included. But look at that. Thank you so much to the folks over at Meeden for sending on these supplies. This is all very exciting. I can't wait to dive into some of these products. Which one do you want to see first? Drop me a comment below and let me know. Have you tried the Meeden watercolor paper? I definitely recommend it. I already have one of their metal palettes. You guys see it often, but I don't have one that's this size. So yeah, my favorite Daniel Smith palette is in a Meeden palette. I think this is going to be perfect to put the gouache into and give that a try. Love the ceramic always. Travel watercolors. I am definitely going to be using this with that new easel, and we are going to end some of these, and we're going to go on some adventures this summer for sure. So I hope that you will hit that subscribe button and come along and join me on these adventures. And yeah, if you are excited about these things like I am, hit that thumbs up button. Give the video a like. It definitely helps us reach more people, and I greatly appreciate it. A very big thank you to Meeden. I appreciate these supplies, and I cannot wait to put together some giveaways that are going to include the little watercolor pads and some other really fun things as well. So definitely hit subscribe. Stay tuned. I don't want you to miss what's coming. And you know, we love for you to be a part of the journey. I have a mouse in my pocket. It's fine. I love for you to be a part of this journey. So come along, and until next time, my friends, keep creating, and I will see you in a video real soon. Bye, guys.